Hey, this is a short video on how to record our Google Meet sessions and what happens to them. So I am on the Meet join page for the QB meeting. Obviously, no one else is here, but I'm going to join the meeting. Now my meeting has started, and I go down to the bottom right to the options, click on the options, and it gives me the option to record the meeting. Ask for some consent. Now it's just me that's here, so that's not a big deal, but they do this because we are meeting with the kids. I accept, and now it is recording the meeting. So the meeting goes on, blah blah blah, have a meeting. Okay, and then nope, I can't click that. I can click my three dots at the bottom again, and I stop recording, confirm. Okay, recording is now stopped. Now this recording will automatically go to a file in my Google Drive. Now I am on the Google Drive as Marcello Giuliano and Tustin Unified School District, not as Beckman Football. Okay, so I was at the meet. I'm done recording. I go back to my drive, and in my drive, it has automatically created a meet recording folder. Now, again, I am signed in Tustin, so whatever account you're using to run the Google Meet is where the drive will be, and there will be where the meeting recordings are. Okay, now the recordings are here. This is the one from our staff meeting last week. I didn't pay anybody to make that the image. This is the one that I just did. Okay, and that's that. Now, once you have that there, you can share this with anyone. So I will share it with Beckman Football staff. Send. Okay. Okay, so it says that the items were successfully shared. I hope. So let's be done with that. And then I will go over to my shared with me. This is Beckman Football. And now the meeting is in Beckman Football.